5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
There is a bag of bombs.
Or sides.
3, 2, 1.
New operator.
Right, everybody over to the right side. Get away from the bombs. Right, if you've got... excellent. Kill Skull.
Need to get Phil's board down too. After this. Going on one too.
Unload on the Elementalist. One down, clear paths.
Which one are we on?
Should be on Skull next.
Beware.
X.
Sorry, yeah, X.
I don't see an X.
Big X mark on the ground. Go counterclock or
There's
clockwise
already one.
from the skull.
Okay.
Beware.
Alright, you ready?
Sorry about. Yep, should be killing that Elementalist. Skull on its head.
Beware.
Ah, damn it, there's a shield there.
It's
Or they
Shield
not affect
doesn't
the
affect
Elementalist?
element. Needs to be disposed.
Beware.
Thank you. I think we're going to have to pop a list at some point. Early. The last phase isn't that bad, it's just moving fight part.
Okay.
Beware.
There's either at the beginning to get as much as we can on Fieldspar or something.
Beware.
Kill the elemental with skull on its head. We're not done with one at X yet.
Beware.
Alright, finish it. Alright, clear up some of that.
Beware.
So the one with skull X is dead, right?
Yep.
Yes, now we're on green.
If you have time to kill the slag elementals, that'll help for a little bit until the
The
next
one on
blast.
Alicus can go to green. That one's almost dead. Just Alicus can go. Alright. Hit on the element.
Beware.
Kill skull.
Might as well go ahead and pop load. Make it through this and finish it up on the end.
Okay. Yeah, pop lust.
Beware.
Spread out for fire.
Clear up it.
Man, those dispels are costly.
Beware.
Yes, they are.
Alright, get a slag over to the next.
Whoever has slag needs to go to purple. Let's kill this last fire caller first.
Beware.
Dark, take yours out.
Get skull closer.
Never mind.
Interrupt it.
Be on the element.
Alright, kill the elementalist.
Beware.
Dispel. Alright.
Nice.
Range
flame
took
bolt.
way out of the melee area.
Range to orange.
Beware.
Let me take 3 stacks first.
Beware.
All range should be right beside that first melt. Battle taken.
Sorry, I didn't know where to put it.
Keep it behind the box.
Yeah, I got it now.
There's one up here, maybe mess with it.
Watch out, somebody's got that right in the middle.
Jill hasn't.
Here?
Yeah, try and drop melts near the wall.
Beware.
Bow taken.
I'm gonna pop Tranquility if we can get an amplified match.
Okay, go.
What do I do with fixate?
Ignore it.
Ignore it.
Ah, okay. That's good.
Wow!
Holy cow.
How'd we do that?
What was that, 3 attempts?
Ah.
Dang, nice.
Wow.
Alright, for... We
And
should
with the
assign...
time we have one more pull.
We should assign 2 people in range to just run in regardless, whether you have it on them or not.
That sounds like a good idea.
And I'm more than happy to. Be
But
one.
then we have more of a chance of ending up with a weapon in range.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm only gonna run in when somebody has the on them. If that makes sense.
Yeah, but she can still spawn a thing in melee though, but...
Well, I'm gonna run in and then I'm gonna run out. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
So
It
if I
does,
see
but
somebody
she
with
could
it
still
on 'em-
drop a weapon at that time.
Dark, what he's saying, yeah, it could be pretty much the exact same time the Molten Torrent happens, is what she's saying. It's a non-zero chance, but fairly small. We'll give it a shot. I think it's slightly easier than getting all the range in one place at the same time.
So, I guess I don't understand. I don't know what a non-zero chance is.
Okay, remember in Dumb and Dumber when he says, are the chances of us hooking up like 1 in 1,000?
Yeah,
And
1 in a
she
million,
says-
so you're saying I got a chance.
Yeah. No matter how fast you are in and out, you might hook up with the hot girl.